Hi everyone, this is Kamel. Have you ever wondered where to find free music or sound effects for your video? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you 2 places to get free music as well as how to use them in our video. If you're interested in this topic, keep watching. YouTube's official audio library offers us a large number of audio tracks. We can click on here to enter YouTube Studio. Go to the left to find the audio library. We can find thousands of audio tracks here. All can be used in our video for free. Click on here to preview the audio track.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like.
Or we can hit there to download the audio track. They are free to use and require no attribution. We can search the wanted music by genre, mood, artist, duration, and many other features. When we encounter a loved audio track, we can click here to collect it. We can check the music we collect over here. In addition to music, there are many ambient sound and sound effects. Just like music tracks, they are free to use. YouTube does offer us a good music library. However, picking the best music that fits your video from this massive library might be tough. In addition to audio library offered by YouTube, some YouTube music channels also offer royalty-free music. Search into no copyright music. We can get many similar channels. Usually, we can also find an introduction about the genre of the music or the scenarios that the music fits best. This can help beginners a lot. Usually, we can find a download link and detailed information for the music in the description box. But give a caution. If you need to publish videos with music tracks getting from these channels, you should get the information of the author included in the video or the description box. Add the music we just downloaded to VideoProc Flagger. Drag and drop it into audio track. If we want to add multiple audio tracks, simply click on here to add new audio tracks. Suppose the duration of the music is longer than the video file, simply drag the ends to align them. If the video comes with audio, however, we only want to keep the music file, we can click on here to mute the clip on the video track. Or we can right-click on the footage, choose Detach Audio, and then delete the audio we just separated from the video. Suppose we want to keep both the original audio and the music file. We can use a volume tool to adjust their volumes. This can ensure that background music isn't too weak or too loud. If we want the music to appear and disappear in a more natural way, click on here to enter the audio editor. Select the beginning of the music. Click on here to add a fade-in effect. Then select the ending of the music. click on here to add a fade out effect.
Yeah. Sometimes I get so mad, there's no controlling me. My thoughts get so bad, I'm like, I might grab a bat, I don't know. My wrath, my blood boils over like.
After all the edits, click on Export to export the video we just made. Isn't it super easy? If you want to know more audio editing tricks, click on here to access our series of tutorials, Master Background Music. We'll upload more useful knowledge about video and audio editing. Be sure to click the subscribe button to subscribe if you haven't yet. See you in our next editing tutorial. I'll be enjoying it. Bye!